Hello, in this video today I show you how to install Werckmeister on your Mac along with Visual Studio Code and set up everything so that at the end you are able to produce some music with Werckmeister. So stay tuned.
Oh là là. Oh là là.
So open your favorite browser and visit the page werckme.github.io. In the Getting Started section, there you will find a link to the pre-built binaries. Open this link and search for the Mac version. After the download was finished, please copy the command above the download button. Open the terminal. CD in your download folder and paste in the copied command. Type in your password and Werckmeister will be installed. To check the installation, you can type in sheet P --version. If you get a result here, everything was gone well. So, since Werckmeister does not produce any sound itself, we need a MIDI device. If you don't have any, then I recommend you to install Flute Synth. And the easiest way on a Mac, I think, is to use a program called Brew. To get that, we open the browser again and type in brew.sh. And there again is a command we need to copy and paste into the terminal. Depending on your system, the installation will take a while. After the installation was done, you can type in brew install Flute Synth. So now let's install Visual Studio Code. We go to the official homepage and download the app. After installing Visual Studio Code, we open Visual Studio Code and open the Extensions tab. We search for Werckmeister, find the extension and hit the install button. So, a good entry point into the world of Werckmeister would be to have a look into some real source code. So I recommend to you to clone the tutorials repository of Werckmeister. So we go back to our Werckmeister homepage. Then we click the open source link in the header. Then we click this Werckme link here to get an overview of all Werckmeister repositories. And you will find the tutorials repository right here. And here we can copy the link to the repository. We go back to Visual Studio Code. We click on Clone Repository and paste in the link. So now that we have the repository cloned, you will find the first tutorial and its sheet file. If you want to use Werckmeister with your own MIDI device, you will find a description here that shows you what you have to do. But in this tutorial, we use the internal Flute Synth player. So let's try it out. And we get an error here. And that's because this sheet points to a Flute Synth Soundfont file, which does not exist yet. So, and to get this missing file, here's a link. You can copy it and just download it. And after the download, just copy the Soundfont file into your tutorials folder. So now everything should work. We go back to Visual Studio Code and press the play button. And here it is, a very nice C major scale. So that's about it for today. Thank you and goodbye.